Hello, beautiful butterflies. Okay, it's Friday night, and it's only like 6:45 p.m. But I just wanted to take the reverse tour and show you some of the things that I was talking about the other night, but everything was closed. Okay, so over here you see the bakery. And the bakery is where my neighbor puts out stuff that people can get for free. It's free to donate and also free to receive. And then on Friday nights, they serve a free meal. And I did describe that the other night. Now, as we whip around this corner, you're going to be able to see the Love Lot, where the fish fry people are. And as you can see, the line is there. It's not really as obsessive as it could be because it's been raining. But these people are out here almost no matter the weather. And somebody said that this fish fry place had gone viral, which is like, I'm happy for them. Oh, look, people do use the chargers. I see some people got their cars plugged in. I couldn't imagine having a plug in my car. Because I go get gas and in 10 seconds I'm gone. But anyway, then the restaurant down there is open. Have a couple of diners exiting. I'm not going to go all the way up to the window with the phone like I did the other night because I don't want to be rude, you know. But yeah, this is a little bit something about how my neighborhood looks when there are people. Happy Friday. Thanks for joining me. Oh, yeah, you can see the African shop. I won't turn the phone off yet. Wait a minute. I told you he'd be having everything set up outside. People don't know how to drive. They don't realize that this is a walkie-talkie type of neighborhood. But this is Mr. Rob's African shop. And when we went past here the other day, see, it's got stuff inside. When we went past here the other day, he was all packed up and gone. But this is my cousin's art. This is my cousin's art. All this is by Jeff Kerr, see? That's my cousin. My mother's brother's son. And he's a very talented artist. And Mr. Rob is a very good customer of his. Well, we have vintage Americana, I'll call it. I really don't know the real name for it. You come out here and get yourself some jewelry. Mask work. Statuary. And I guess that's about it. Hi, Mr. Rob. I'm okay. How you? Good. I was just showing your store. You don't never see me? Oh, you don't never see me close up? Just riding by. I'm not scared. Actually. I see. Yeah, he doing good. Both of y'all are. I ain't scared. So there it is. I am scared. I'm not talking to no more men. He's just my neighbor though. He messing with me. But anyway, thanks for watching. And it's Happy Friday. This is the dead side of the market over here. So I'll sign off. Enjoy your night. Peace.